everybody, it's Amanda from Creative Pouring, based in the UK. Today I'm doing another change to my pouring medium. I've done a sort of 50-50 mix. I don't know if you can read my scrubby writing there. So I've done 50%, well, say 50% Elmers glue mixed with Liquitex 50-50 ratio, and then I've added another sort of 10-20% water just to increase the consistency. I'm just going to add in 1 drop of silicone in all these while I'm chatting. I might do 2 actually. Yeah, there you go, 2, not in the white. Yeah, so what I've decided, I've just recently done a comparison with some pouring mediums, Floetrol, PVA glue, and what did I do? Floetrol versus Elmers glue versus my current mixture of pouring medium, which was just PVA glue and a Liquitex and Floetrol recipe. Anyway, there's a YouTube video on that. But today I thought, well, I haven't really tried PVA glue and just Liquitex, so I thought I'd do that today. So I'm doing 5 colours, which I'll go through in a minute once I've done this, flip this cup over. Actually, I'm going to just quickly zap it with my WD-40 because it does help it fall out a little bit, and wipe that out. So I've just sprayed it with WD-40, and then you wipe it out, and it just helps the paint to drop down nicely. In these cups I've got about 25 grams each of paint and pouring medium between it. Oh, you won't be able to see it on that one. Let's have a look at this one. And the consistency is, get it right that way there, a nice, not too thick, the trace goes within a couple of seconds. Yeah, so it's quite nice. My metallic gold's a little bit thicker, but this is, I've used this about 3 times now, and each time it's disappeared, so let's see how it goes with this one. Okay, right, I'm going to layer this cup now and start with white. Let's do it here so you can see. I'll just move that out of the way for a minute so I can do it more easily. Right, so white, and then I'm going to do this, it's called a crimson. That's a crimson. I'll show you the colours in a minute. I'm just going to go over the top. I think I must probably do about 3 layers, and I'm hoping that this little white cup will take all this paint. I was going to do it in a bigger cup, but I thought, well, then it's got a long way to drop, if you get what I mean. We'll soon see. This is the first time I've used Payne's Grey. I love the colour in the cup. It's looking really funky with like a really blue tint to it. We'll see. No, it's going to make that really pale, but hang on, just might swap it in the next round. To this one. I'm going to swap that and do the pink next to that red. And I'm going to do the gold. I'm going to do this Payne's Grey, and then I'm going to do the white on there because I'm interested to see what the white and the Payne's Grey do together. I'm just going to empty all these now, so I've done sort of 3 layers. I think this cup will just about hold this paint. do this red again. I've been doing a lot of tree ring pours or tree pours or whatever you want to call them lately, and I thought, oh, I just need to get back to flip and drag. Go back to my comfort zone. You know, sometimes you just need to. Well, to be perfectly honest, I say it's my comfort zone, but I'm still not really totally happy with the outcomes, and I think that's because I'm still experimenting with my pouring medium, and so I've not really found the one that I really like, to get a bit of background space and to get some decent cells. So that's what these videos are all about, to try and find my method, find my, you know, what I really like, what I think is pretty, what I think is well, no, let's face it, it's I think you need to sort of like step back a little bit. Well, I need to step back a bit and say, well, what do you like? What do you really like? When you're looking at other pourers, what do you like from their composition, from their colours, from their methods? And it's all well and good, copying is the wrong word, but getting inspired and utilising their methods and sometimes their colour choices. But at the end, if I want to continue to do this and possibly sell some to sort of fund my obsession, then at the end of the day you've got to come up with something that's yours and that you enjoy doing it, that makes you, the results make you happy, and then hopefully somebody else will like them as well. Anyway, that's what I'm aiming for. But at the moment I'm having far too much fun to worry about all that. So I'm just going to, this is just an A4 craft board. I'm having trouble with my lighting, so I'm just going to close this a little bit so it's not so bright on the, I don't know if that's better. Can you still see? Yeah. There you go. Let's stick some gloves on. Move your mint tea out of the way. Right then. Now this should be enough paint to cover this A4 canvas. So I think I'm going to have to do it the old fashioned way. Tip it like that. As this is an experiment, I just wanted to see what I could, A, the colour combinations, and B, this Liquitex / Elmers pouring medium. In my previous pouring medium, when I used to make it myself, I did 50% just PVA glue, 10% Floetrol, 10% Liquitex, and then 30% water. So I thought, well, you know, let's see if with a little bit more Liquitex what that comes up with. So that's why I'm doing it on the card, because that's what I've decided. I do my experiments on the card, and then I've got some really nice canvases. So this one's really cool. Oh, anyway, I've got some really nice canvases that I want to then try on and getting bigger and bigger every day. My canvases. Right, here we go. That should be enough. So I'm going to just move it to this edge here, and then I'm just gonna flip and drag. Oh, there's loads of paint there. Let's just do another one there. Get all that paint out. Oh, that's going to go off the edge anyway, so let's just put those on. I mean, I don't have to worry about edges, but second. Okay. Well, at least I can see some of the gold, because I've been worrying about that gold, thinking it's not liking my, whether I've done it too thick, too thin, you never know. Okay, so I'm just going to, there is a lot of paint on here, so now I've got to tip a bit off, so I'm going to just move it around a bit first, and then I'm going to torch it. But those colours are fab. Just going to tip it a little bit this way, and then down there. I'm interested to see what the cells come up like. And I torch. I really want to keep this gold. Let's go down to that one there a little bit more. And then to that corner there towards you. Okay, let's bring it back and then we'll give it a torch and see what we can see. Right. Okay. Let's just see if I can get rid of any bubbles first of all. I love this bit here. I'm definitely keeping that, whatever happens. I love that. Okay. Looking interesting. Interesting. Okay, right, the first bit I'm going to get rid of is that little bit there. I definitely want to keep that bit there. So let's just, with this board, hopefully I can bend it a little bit there. Yeah, let's see if I can just get rid of that without losing that lovely purpley bit there. Okay, let's go then, off the edge, my lovely. I'd quite like to keep that red bit there, so let's just help that off. There. Go. Right then, come back. Oh, I see. Man alive. I missed a bit, didn't I? God damn. Anyway, as I'm down this way here, I'm going to just move it across there. I'm going to lose those there, so let's just tip that to that corner. Okay, bring that back. Bring back to the middle. Well, this is looking very interesting. I can see a big blob of paint as well there, so I'm just going to put this down a second, get that blob out. Stretching those cells a little bit down here. Right, bear with me while I wipe this off. And then get a little palette knife, get like this big blob here. I don't know what it is, but it's coming out. Right there. Any more? Okay. Right then. Try and bend this a little bit that way. And go down towards that corner there. There's some lovely little red cells there, but again I know they're going to have to go. But I want to keep that black Payne's Glaze streak. So I think a little bit of ketchup. Oh my God. It's going to be so difficult. Go. I'm in a right mess today. Yeah. Look at all this stretch too much. That's just going to have to come off like that. Okay. Right, and then just do this little corner down here. and then we'll see if we can rejig. I might just take that off the edge. Get that pink all the way to the edge there, like that, and stretch that down there. And bring it back. And try and get these cells. Very interesting colours. Right. I'll leave that for a minute. Let it sit. Got paint come off. I'll just drip that over there. Come on, you should know better by now, don't drip paint over your canvas. Well, I'm glad to see a bit of gold. I'm not fussed about that Mr. Blobby there, but I know I always get them, so I'm just trying to accept the Mr. Blobbies as they are. Loving that bit there, love that bit there. Let's just torch again, see what happens. See if we can get any more little baby cells. These big ones have really done some manoeuvring. See if I can get any more little ones in that pink area. Oh, too close to that. Oh, here we go. Lots happening now in this. So this is looking really interesting. Oh, I think I might be liking this pouring medium. I've got a little baby caterpillar there, but he's got some friends, so that's not too bad. This is gorgeous here. I don't know if you can see. Let me just sit back down so I can see what you can see. I really like this. I wasn't sure about the colours, whether it was going to be too pink, but I think the red and the Payne's grey looks fab, and the gold is finally coming through. These little cells here are growing, and I like this sort of river of pink going through with the sort of white popping through there. Oh no, I really like this. It's different. It's a little bit unusual. It's not all the same size cells. Now you see, now I wish I'd done it on a canvas. That's always the same, isn't it? Right, well, let me just try and lift it up, because it's, as I say, it's card, so I'll lift it up like that way so you can see all those little white cells popping through the pink there. This is my favourite area here with the red and the Payne's grey. That's looking gorgeous. And then there's some big elongated cells there, but we can cope with those. And then that little cluster there is looking beautiful, and all those are coming out now, growing. Oh, I'm really pleased with that. I wasn't going to do one today, and I thought, no, I've got to do another little pour. Can't help myself. I've put a couple of YouTube videos and Instagram pictures up today with my Floetrol and pouring medium comparison. But this is looking really pretty. These little cells here are absolutely gorgeous ones there. Look, can you see? Oh, I'm really liking that. I want to do a big one of those now. I love that Payne's grey and that red over the gold. Ah, chuffed with that one. Hurrah! And I think I've put my finger in it there. That's typical, isn't it? Alright then, well, I think I don't have to touch up my edges, as I say, because it's only card. I'm going to have to put this one out to dry. But I'm really chuffed with that one. I really like it. I like that pouring medium. Now, maybe I'll try again those colours with my Elmers, just the Elmers glue, and see what happens. But no, I'm very happy with that one. It's interesting. Okay, well, I hope you like that one too whenever I put it up on YouTube. That's all for now. It's Amanda, over and out. Thank you. Please subscribe. Bye.